to pin an app so it cannot be closed without your permission in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First, you have to enable pin app option before you can pin an app. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen. Tap more security setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap pin app. Next, tap the on off switch until it turns blue to turn pin app on. For more security, you can also enable ask for pattern before unpinning option by tapping the gray on off switch next to this option until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, current secure screen lock needs to be done to unpin a pin app. Also, the name of this option may change depends on what screen lock type you are using. Since this phone uses pattern as screen lock, you can see that the name of this option uses pattern in it. Now you are ready to pin an app. To do so, open an app you like to pin. As the example, we will pin gallery. Open gallery. Tap recent button. Go to gallery app thumbnail. Single tap on the gallery app icon and then select pin this app. A pop-up appears to inform you that you have to touch and hold recent and back button at the same time to unpin the app. Tap OK button to close the pop-up. As a note, while you are pinning an app, features such as calling and messaging are blocked. Given to the function, you can pin an app when you need to pass your phone to others who need to use that app, but you don't want to access anything outside of the pin app. As you can see, this app cannot be closed. So the one who use this phone can only use this app. If you like to unpin a pin app, so you can use other apps and feature. Tap and hold recent and back buttons at the same time. Next, do your secure screen lock. If you did the right screen lock, the app will be unpinned and you can access other apps and features in your phone again. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.